Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Wix. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. First, open your web browser. Go to your Wix profile. Go to Wix website editor, My Site. Here, click on the Add Apps icon on the left. Here, search for Wix blog and click on it. Now tap Open. Scroll down to see the options available. Then click on Search at the top right. Here, click on Create a Post. Now add a title of your choice and create your post. Go back to the previous page and click on Manage Posts. Here you can choose a template of your choice. Go back to the same page. Here you can edit your blog the way you like it using the display, layout and design options available on the left. After that, you can go back and select the site design and the site pages and menu icons on the left to edit further.